How long does a grand solar minimum last? Have you ever wondered how long a grand solar minimum lasts? This fascinating cosmic event can have a significant impact on our planet. A grand solar minimum is a period marked by low solar activity. These phases can last for several decades or even centuries. During this time, we see fewer sunspots and reduced solar radiation reaching Earth. This change can influence global climate conditions in various ways. Historically, one of the most recognized grand solar minimums was the Maunder Minimum. This event took place from 1645 to 1715 and coincided with the Little Ice Age. This was a time of notable cooling in the Northern Hemisphere. The Maunder Minimum is often cited as an example of how solar activity can affect climate. Now, let's talk about the duration of a grand solar minimum. These events can span multiple solar cycles. Each solar cycle typically lasts about 11 years. The upcoming modern grand solar minimum is expected to occur during solar cycles 25 to 27. This period is projected to last from around 2020 to 2053. During this time, we can expect reduced solar activity, which may lead to a slight cooling effect on Earth's climate. However, it is important to note that, while a grand solar minimum might cool the planet temporarily, it does not reverse the overall trend of global warming. Human activities have a much larger impact on climate change. The cooling effect from a grand solar minimum could potentially reduce global temperatures by only a fraction of a degree Celsius. This small change could easily be offset by just a few years of current carbon dioxide emissions growth. For politicians and policymakers, understanding the duration and impact of grand solar minima is essential. While natural solar cycles can influence climate conditions, they do not eliminate the need for ongoing efforts to address human-caused global warming. Recognizing these natural fluctuations can help inform strategies for managing climate variability while tackling the broader challenges of climate change. In summary, a grand solar minimum can last for several decades to centuries, with the modern grand solar minimum expected from 2020 to 2053. While it may bring a slight cooling effect, the ongoing effects of human-induced climate change remains the primary concern.